Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.